Good morning, students. I hope all of you understood the last class where we find out the surface area of a cuboid and a cube, and also we find out their lateral surface area. So if you understood the surface area, how can we find out the surface area? So it related to this. Today we start the exercise 13.1. And in this exercise, if you see the first question is given like in this way. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine. The first one is given here, the area of the sheet required for making the box, as well as the second one is given here, the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost ₹20. So first of all, here a plastic box given, and in this plastic box 1.5 meter long, that means we consider this one as a length. 1.25 meter wide, that means this one we consider as a breadth, and 65 centimeter deep, this one we consider as a height. But here one thing you see here, the first two units, the length and breadth are given in terms of meter, but the last one is 65 centimeter, that means this one is given here centimeter. So first of all we have to convert this height into meter, and after that we have to apply the formula. So before applying this one, if you see here one more point given, it is open at the top. So that means only the top part is open, other all parts are closed. That means here in a cuboid we know how many faces are there. Total 6 faces are there. Out of these 6 faces, one is here open. So that means we have to find out the area of the total 5 faces. Is it clear? So let's check out this one with the help of 3-dimensional diagram. Now if you see this one, a 3-dimensional diagram where A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This one is a cuboid here, and here in this cuboid if you see total 6 faces are there. One A, B, C, D, another face here B, C, F, G, and the third one is G, H, E, F, fourth one is H, A, D, E. In this way at the bottom E, F, C, D, and at the top this one is A, B, G, H. So total 6 faces are here, isn't it? And according to our question, the top face is open. So that means if we consider this A, B, Z, H, this one is open here. So if it is open, so how many faces are there? Total 5 faces. If you see here 1, 2, 3, then 4, and the bottom one 5. Total 5 faces are there. So we have to find out the area of these 5 faces, because here the top part is open. So here the longest part, either we can consider AH or BG. This one is as a length. So here AB as a wide and BC or AD as a deep, isn't it? With respect to this, if we consider this one, so here if the top part is open, AB we consider breadth and BG we consider length. So the area of this top part is what? ABGH. That means area of this part is length into breadth, isn't it? So one length into breadth part is totally we have to ignore here. So when we have to write the formula, then we have to write 2 times of breadth height length, but we write only 1 time the length breadth, because the top part is open, isn't it? With the help of this one, easily we can solve the given question. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the sheet and where the top part is open. Is it clear? Okay. So we have to find out the area of the seat, and here already given the top part is open here. And now in this question the length is given 1.5 meter, wide is given 1.25 meter, and deep, that means the height is given here 65 centimeter. To 65 centimeter we have to convert into meter. So all of you know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and if you convert this one into meter, so 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 65 centimeter equal to 65 by 100. Ultimately here height we get 0.65 meter, isn't it? So now here if you see the question in the first one, here if you see box is to be open at top, so that's why we have to find out the area of the seat. So when the top part is open, we have to write 2 times of length height. Already we know why we write 2 times here. 2 times of breadth height, and we write only 1 time length and breadth because the top part is open here. Is it clear? Okay, now here 2 length we know 1.5, height we know 0.65. So 2 into 1.5 into 0.65, as well as breadth height means 2 into 1.25 into 0.65 plus length breadth, that means 1.5 into 1.25. And if you calculate this result, then we get 1.95 plus 1.625 plus 1.875. Finally, if we add all these 3 results, and then finally we get 5.45 meter square. Which one is the area we need here? Is it clear? Okay, now after that, if you see the next one, next question is given, we have to find out the cost. In case of cost, per meter square equal to given rupees 20. So cost of the seat per meter square area equal to rupees 20. So this type of how many meter square is here? 5.45. So that's why we have to write cost of seat of 5.45 meter square area equal to 5.45 into 20. And if we multiply it by 20, then we get the total cost. And the total cost is here we get rupees 109. So here this one is our answer. So the first one is 5.45 meter square, and the second one is rupees 109. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.